Well, good day. It's currently Friday at like 3:30 right now. I'm gonna go see if I can find a empty construction lot to go and try flying a bit. So here we go then. Hi. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
I like to film things.
Okay,
Is it okay
sure.
if I film a bit here?
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you very much.
Just don't fall into something.
All right.
Alrighty.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Take care.
All right. Well, I just got confirmation from the guys who work here that it's okay to fly, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so just flew this spot. It was pretty nice. Had a crane there. My first time ever diving a crane, and it was a smaller crane, but it was okay. Towards the end, I had some problems getting my Fat Shark goggles working. I don't know what's wrong. I think there's a loose connector inside of it. I emailed Fat Shark about that, but yeah, I'm still working with the guy on the other end to get this fixed. So yeah, finally got up close to one, I guess. It's the closest I'll get. Okay, just skating through campus right now and feeling freaking invincible. Just did something that I've always wanted to do with a mini quad, so yeah. Oh, well, that was a pretty nice run there. You doing freestyle?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Trying freestyle.
Yeah, you're doing.
Set the high score. He's gonna beat me though. He's my new protege. I'm teaching him everything I know.
All right, good day. I'm sitting here at the club right now, just hanging out. I'm feeling really invincible right now because I just dove a crane at this nice construction spot. So, yeah. Anyways, it was a really nice day. Gonna just do some more planning on the club build. So, yeah. Next time, I guess.